Good morning, everyone. This is Bhavna Verma again with a new series of advertisement. We have earlier discussed with situation vacant, situation wanted, sale and purchase. And now, today, in this advertisement, we are going to take up different subtopics and their important key points along with the examples. So, what will be the subtopics? Let's see. To let, missing, matrimonial, lost and found. So, these will be the different advertisements that we are going to take up in this presentation. So, the first subtopic that we are taking up is to let advertisement. To let means you are offering some property, some accommodation, some office on rent for a temporary period. It should not be permanent. It is temporary. To let means सरल भाषा में हम कहेंगे किराए पर देना. Okay? So let us see the key points. First of all, begin with available or wanted. If you are seeking offering some accommodation, then write down available, and if you want, then write down wanted. Type of accommodation or to let or required. Type of accommodation to let or required. Required on rent. Then the brief description of the accommodation. Brief description includes different kind of entries. What should be these? Size. Size means, as we have earlier discussed in sale and purchase, that size is the area in square feet, square meter, all that. Floor, whether it is on the first floor or second floor, that you have to mention there. Number of rooms, like we have earlier seen in sale purchase, 3 BHK, 2 BHK, 2 bedroom set, 3 bedroom set. Such description should be there. Fitting and fixtures. Fitting and fixtures like sale and purchase, modular kitchen, attached toilet bathrooms, attached balcony, all these kind of things. Location and surrounding, that the location is quite safe, it is near the city, in the heart of the city, easily approachable, good parking area, surrounded by park or sea beaches, that you should mention. Rent expected. As we have done in sale or purchase, that cost negotiable. You should not write rent negotiable. No. Write down the expected rent there. And then agreement. If you want any of the agreement, then you should mention. And at last, your contact address, email ID or phone number from where the person may contact. It's about the bedroom, attached bathroom, drawing, dining room, kitchen and interior. Rent expected 7,000. Interested person may contact. Now this is the address, phone number and email ID again. So this is about the to let. I hope that you have understand better with the help of another one. Advertisement, that is about missing advertisement. When we frame up the missing advertisement, when we have lost some of our near and dear, or some pet is lost, then we used to write the missing advertisement. You might have often seen in the newspaper, there is missing, or in Hindi newspapers we can say gumshuda. Okay, so for this kind of advertisement, the key points that we should keep in mind are: start with missing. The heading of the advertisement should be missing. Put a pic. A pic is better to be there. Many more advertisement of missing are there where no pic is maintained. But it is better if you put a column for that, if you put a box for missing. It might be a pet, it might be an individual, a person. Then what are the key points? That you should maintain the date and place that very person is missing from, when he was found missing, and place where he was found missing from. Identity marks. Identity marks. What are the special marks or the features from which anyone can easily recognize him? Rewards. It is better to mention a reward. Why it is better to mention a reward? Because the founder may be appealed with that he is getting some reward, so he should return that very thing to him or the person. Contact address, email ID and phone number as usual at the end of the advertisement. Now, on the basis of the description, on the basis of the different varieties, it is categorized in two groups. First one is person. If a person is missing, what should be the key points? His name, age, complexion, whether it is he is fair, he is dark, he is having a reddish complexion, height and body built up, clothes he was wearing at the time he was missing from. Clothes may include the type of clothes, whether it is a sari, it is a churidar suit, it is salwar kameez, it is a jean top, and you can also add on the color of the cloth. Identifying marks means he is having a mole on the face, he is having a scar marks on his neck, he is having a mark of cut on his right hand, mark of stitches on the index finger of right hand. So such kind of identification marks you can give here. Physical description, that he is squint-eyed, he laments when he walks. Okay, such kind of description you can also mention. Other category is pet. If a pet is lost, what should be the key points? Name of the pet, its breed, whether it is American Bully or some other kind of pets, you may better know. Color of the fur or skin of that pet. Identifying marks. It is wearing a collar, it is wearing a red collar, it is wearing an iron belts or leather belt. So here are the example of lost persons, like two persons I have taken here. One is Aruna. First of all, the age is mentioned, 33 years, 5 feet height, fair complexion, wearing brown churidar. Here it is a color of dress and churidar is type of dress. Missing from when she is missing. From when she is missing, June 20, and from at what time? 3 p.m. Founder may contact. Now the address and the phone numbers are given. Here Revamma, age, height, color, missing date, place from where she is missing from, and what she was wearing. She was wearing sari, and then contact address of the person who is to be informed. Another example of lost pet, lost dog. The name of the dog, Obi, 6, male, neutered, age 5 plus minus. 5 plus minus means about 5. Breed, German Shepherd, Akata. Weight, 70 IBS. Height, really tall. Color, tan and white. Features, tail sticks up in the air like an Akata, but not curled. Means the tail is not curled, it is sticked up in the air. Huge ears. Personality, it loves food, friendly, no sit down and all that. Last seen from where it is lost, it is Wyndham Avenue near Rudden Lane. And what it was wearing, a dog watch collar, black reflexive collar. Okay. And here is the phone number of the person who is to be contacted. Other than this advertisement, you can also add on your contact address or email ID, and reward can also be promised on the return. Okay, reward is an appeal that a person may easily bring back the thing to you. Now let us move to the next one, that is matrimonial. Matrimonial advertisements means seeking for a bride or seeking for a groom. दूल्हा या दुल्हन ढूंढने हैं हमें अपने बेटा या बेटी के लिए. Okay, so now let us start with the key points. Mention bride wanted or groom wanted. What are you seeking for? You are seeking for a bride or groom, that should be mentioned in the heading. Appearance and age of whom? Of the boy for whom you are looking the bride or groom. Caste, subcaste or religion, educational and professional qualification, qualities sought in partner. Means these are the different qualities of the boy and girl for whom you are seeking groom or bride. And next you have to write down the qualities in the partner. Are means the qualities that you are looking for in the bride and groom should be age, height and complexion, service or professional income, and again at the end contact address, email ID, phone. So here is an example of bride wanted. Alliance wanted from means what qualities you are seeking in the bride are: she should be slim, beautiful, belly-mouthed, considerate, homely girl. And for whom? For a tall, dark, handsome boy, working abroad, Punjabi, non-Mangli, well settled, income in 6 figures, father retired for Indian Army, mother homemaker, no dowry, early marriage. So these are the different descriptions of the boy for whom you are seeking a girl. Next one is groom wanted. Alliance invited. From means that the groom should have the quality. What qualities? He should be tall, dark, handsome, Punjabi, non-Mangli, should be well settled, income in at least 6 figures. For means the qualities of the girl for whom we are seeking the groom. She should be slim, beautiful, merry-mouthed, considerate, homely girl. Her father retired from Indian Army. Mother homemaker, no dowry, early marriage. Interested matchmakers can contact. Here it is, the phone number, email ID. So hopefully that you have understood the matrimonials found advertisement. Lost and found means that either you have lost something or you have found something. You are writing an advertisement for that. So for lost and found, one difference should be there, should be kept there in your mind. What is the difference? While writing about lost, you have to give the description of that object. But while writing for found, you should never give the description. Why so? Because in found, if we are mentioning all the descriptions, then everybody will be there to claim for that. So in found, what should we write? That the owner may claim the object by mentioning the belongingness, by mentioning the features. Okay. Now let's start with the key points. Begin with identifying yourself. I, Mr. This and that Then what have you lost? Then when and where? When have you lost or found? Or from where have you lost? Or from where have you found? You have to mention the time and place. Specify the item lost. What have you lost or what have you found? Giving brief description. You should give the brief description only in case of loss, not in case of found. In case of found, you just only specify the item. Reward in case of lost only. Better to put the reward because it appeals someone. It appeals in bringing back the thing. And again, as usual, contact address, email ID, and so here are the examples: lost and found. Lost an American tourist bag while traveling to Jaipur. It is from where I have lost. Black colored bag. It is the description containing driving license, PAN card, 3000 cash, headphones, and many other important things. If found, please contact Mr. Ravi. Phone number is given here or the nearest police station. Founder may be rewarded with 5,000. 5,000. Always remember that your reward should exceed the things containing in your bag or wallet or pouch, whatever. Okay, it is having 3,000 cash, so your reward should be more than 3,000. Okay, another one, misplaced. I, Krishna, and then whole of the address is given. There's this Free Press House, Free Press Lane, Nirman Point, Mumbai. This is the address of Mr. Krishna. I have lost my original CBSE mark sheet and certificates of 10, roll number, this and that, and 12th roll number, this. And contact at this and this. Phone number. Now, at the end, as I have discussed all the aspects of these advertisements, all the key points with the examples, so now it's your turn to squeeze your brain, to munch the thoughts, and get ready for the assignment. The assignment is here for 10 marks. What do you have to do? You have to collect different type of advertisements from the newspaper, whether it is HT, whether it is Tribune. Take out the advertisements, cut it down, and make a scrap file. This activity is here with 10 marks. Okay, good luck, have a good day, and thank you for the patience listening. Be prepared with your scrap file while returning school. Good day.